Daddy! Over here, look over here! Okay, let me... Hold on, get the shot. I want to just hold on to your...
Maybe there's more.
Wait,
do you see what we found? We found something really neat.
I'm not going to show you.
What is it?
I don't know. I've never seen anything like it before. What is it?
Fell down!
Let Aga film it. What is it?
It fell down.
What is it, guys?
We don't know!
Well, we don't know. It's not alive.
It's something like red, like that.
It's not alive. Good to know, Ella.
A
A sea creature, a rock, a fossil.
I want to take a picture of you. I got you.
I thought you were. I thought you did.
That's way for me to find it.
What are you doing?
Let's go stand.